Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the world of health and wellness. Today we're tackling a topic that's vital for heart health, low HDL cholesterol. But fear not, because we're armed with nature's best allies, herbs and spices. Join as I unveil the top contenders that can help alleviate your HDL levels and keep your heart singing like a happy tune. So sit back, relax, and get ready to spice up your life with this video, Top Herbs and Spices for Low HDL Cholesterol. 1. Beets. Beets aren't technically an herb or spice. They are, in fact, a vegetable, but many people find it easiest to consume them in supplement form because they don't like the taste or can't eat enough beets to get their full health benefits. There's good reason to add a beet supplement to your diet if your cholesterol needs a little work. Not only can beets improve lipid profile as a whole, including lowering LDL cholesterol, they also specifically have been found to raise HDL cholesterol levels. In fact, one study found that beet leaves and stalks had positive effects on HDL cholesterol as well, making the whole plant amazing for your heart. Most studies on cholesterol have used beetroot juice, but you can get the equivalent and then some from a concentrated beet extract or powder. Sweet basil is a favorite herb all around the world and is used in pizza, pesto, and numerous other recipes. There's also another type known as holy basil or tulsi that is used in traditional medicine for longevity and stress relief. Both types of basil are outstanding for cholesterol. Sweet basil has shown an ability to lower LDL cholesterol, increase HDL cholesterol, and improve the overall LDL to HDL ratio. Holy basil similarly lowers total and LDL cholesterol while also improving the overall lipid profile and potentially raising HDL cholesterol. Either type of basil can be taken in doses up to 2.5 grams per day. Holy basil is also commonly used as a liquid extract. Cloves. Cloves are one of the top antioxidant-rich spices you can have in your diet. Their main active compound is known as eugenol, which is thought to be the driving force behind many of the health benefits of cloves. Research has shown that both cloves and isolated eugenol can significantly raise HDL cholesterol levels and lower LDL cholesterol too. One animal study even found the effects of eugenol to be comparable to lovastatin, a common cholesterol drug. The effective dose in the study where HDL cholesterol increased was 500 milligrams of cloves taken daily for 3 months. Fenugreek. Fenugreek is a clover-like herb that grows natively in the Mediterranean, Western Asia, and Southern Europe. The seeds of the plant have a sweet maple syrup-like flavor and have been used for culinary and medicinal purposes for hundreds of years. Modern research has found that fenugreek seeds are excellent for cholesterol as a whole and particularly for raising HDL cholesterol. They seem to be especially helpful for increasing HDL levels in diabetic patients, but successfully improved the lipid profile in all relevant studies. A range of doses was used for these studies, anywhere from 5 to 30 grams. It's best to start out lower, 1 to 2 grams, and work your way up. Dandelion. Despite being viewed as an annoying weed by many, dandelion has had a firm place in traditional herbal medicine for thousands of years. The leaves and roots are packed full of nutrients and antioxidants, and even the flowers are edible. You might want to consider harvesting dandelion the next time you see it because the leaves have shown an ability to significantly increase HDL cholesterol and lower LDL cholesterol. They also appear to protect against a type of oxidative stress that is linked to atherosclerosis. Dandelion root contains a type of soluble fiber known as inulin that may have positive effects on cholesterol as well. No dandelion dose for cholesterol has been established, but you can easily find it as a supplement, tea, liquid extract, etc. If you want to get fiber from dandelion, be sure to look for a whole root supplement. Ginger. Ginger is the spicy cousin of turmeric and known for its digestive calming effects. It's packed full of antioxidants and plant compounds, including one known as gingerol, which supplies much of the heat to the root and fights inflammation. As research has shown, ginger can be very beneficial for cholesterol. It helps lower total and LDL cholesterol and can increase HDL cholesterol with especially notable effects in patients who started with poor cholesterol levels. Other studies indicate that ginger may also help to prevent atherosclerosis. The effective dose for raising HDL cholesterol was 3 grams of powdered ginger per day divided into 3 doses. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you learned something today about cholesterol levels and how you can use herbs, spices, and vegetables like beets to improve your overall health.